So our first method for today is going to be the engineering mode section. On my last video I talked about the engineering mode and how you could tweak the engineering mode in most things. So I will show you how to activate it again, just for the benefit of those who didn't see the last video. So you dial this code on your phone app. Here you can see the engineering mode just came up. This is the section for the telephony. You can see connectivity and other rest. So it's up to you what you want to do with it. Tweak it the way you like and everything. So that's just it. Just as you can see now, there are a lot of options to choose from. All these options are things that will tweak the main functions or personalities of your Android device. So like for instance, your display, your audio, you can enhance it, also the headset mode. There are a lot of things to choose from. Even this FM receiver, you can even change your IMEI. That is if you want to do that, but I'm not telling you to do that because that is illegal in most countries. I don't know about Nigeria because I'm shooting this video from Nigeria. Like here I'm back to sensor. You could change your sensor, you can calibrate it, anything you want to do with. So there's a lot of powerful work you could do with this, you get. So I'm not telling you to do it because you could end up owning your phone. It has happened to some guys I know, so that should be a lesson to some of you. Another method you could try is also the Google Chrome method, another trick that you need to know about the Android. What this trick does is that you don't need your data to be on. It's like an inbuilt game inside your Google Chrome browser app. So what you gotta do is just like open any site without the data on, off your Wi-Fi, off your mobile data, then you try to open a site just like this. Yes, this is the error page. It's showing that we don't have connection on, like turn off airplane mode, turn on your mobile data or Wi-Fi, check the signal in your area. So it can't browse because there's no connection availability. So what you're going to do here is just to tap on that dinosaur icon there, just tap on it that the game has activated. Yeah, and this is one of the most annoying games in the world though, just for spoiler. Yes, this is another method we're going to use. It's called the split screen method. This trick is, let me say, it was first made in the Android 7, although the Samsung Galaxy S6 running Android 6, that is Marshmallow, used the setting separately. So it's called a split screen method. You can see I'm in the play music now. This is my play music. Okay. Yeah, what you're going to do is now you press your recent button, the one who will show your app, your recent app. You press it, then you hold the app. You can see drag here to use split screen above. So you drag the app above. Yes. Now it's now set for split screen. Mind you could tweak how long space you want the app, each app to use. So I will leave it on the normal there. Then what you're going to do now is to find another app. Let me find another app, just a moment. Yes, now you can see I've put the other app, that is my file manager app. You can see it above. It's showing my files there, like my available storage and everything there. So you could use both sides now. For example, I could play the music, then I could still browse through my files. So this function is very helpful. Yeah, most in multitasking, you don't need to switch between apps. You could use both apps on your screen. So you could also browse while listening to music, while switching or watching movies. So yes, it is a very good features. So most people don't know about it, so I include it. It's not really a trick, so yeah, that's it. Yes, another trick we're going to use again, another trick we're going to learn is the Android system toner settings. This is a setting that helps you to tweak your notification bar to however you want it. So there are some settings apps that you could use to do that, but it requires routing. So first of all, if you're not from Android 6.0 above, if your mobile device is not from Android 6.0 above, you cannot use this function. So first thing you're going to do is you drag down your notification settings, then your settings icon here above your profile image, you hold it for a couple of seconds. Already I've activated mine, so what yours is going to do is, if you hold it for a couple of seconds, it will start spinning. It will spin, then you will get a notification that your system toner settings is activated. So you head to your settings, swipe down until you see the system toner settings there, the system UI toner. So what you're going to do is to open it. And now this has given you access to many things: your status bar, do not disturb, and others. You can see your status bar, you could toggle off and toggle on some functions here, like for example the battery percentage. Say always show battery percentage, don't show percentage when charging default, then don't show this icon. So let's click don't show this icon and see what will happen. Wow, you can see the battery icon is gone. You get the battery icon is gone, but the percentage is showing there because what you can see there is for the battery, not for the percentage. So let me toggle in on back. Yeah, it's back now. So you can see you can also switch off your headset icon, hotspot, Bluetooth. Let me just activate some of them. Yes, now you can see I've turned on all my notifications that I turned on. You get. Now let me switch the headset. You see this headset symbol has disappeared. Let me switch on back. You see, let me try the hotspot. The same thing. It's back on. So you could choose to toggle off anything you don't want and toggle them on if you want them, like do not disturb and the rest. You see. So your volumes, your Wi-Fi, your Bluetooth, airplane mode, anything at all, you just toggle it on and off depending on your preference. So mine, I kept most of them turned off. Like this cellular data, you can see it doesn't show your network signals both on the dual SIM. This my phone is Ligago Kika Power, so I could use two SIMs. So you can see if I switch it on, you can see the network for the both SIMs coming up. So that's just it. Now our last trick for today is the user switching mode. This is my best trick, although I haven't used it much. I don't used to use it because I don't see any use for it, but as a whole, in all of them I've seen, this is the best. You can see you will switch mode just like on your Windows PC, where you could switch user mode, that a particular user could tweak or customize his own looking, and someone else could still use it as a guest or something. So you can see it's on my settings, this user mode. I click on it, you see I'm signed in already. You can see my name there. So you could add a user, or you could just give a certain preference for the guests there. Turn off full calls. So there's a lot of things. So I will just log in as a guest. So if you want to change or add a user, you could just go on add a user and you give all what you want to do. But if you want to just enter into the guest mode, you could just go to your notification bar, then you could see the profile image there. This one, you could see you're on your current one. Like now I'm on my current one, and you could see the guest, or you could just add a user. So you could just go on guest mode, click it. Note all apps that you are installed on this current user won't be available there, and there are some limited features that are given to you, so you can't make some phone calls or view your photos unless you made those photos available there, like you took those photos or you took it from, let me see, another device, but none of your files from this current device will move to the other user account. So that's just it.